The muddy stems are going through a washing process. They are being cleaned neatly and thoroughly. After that, the cutting process begins. The stems are cut in the middle and split from the center. Here, the fiber is being rolled. Then the fiber becomes neat and clean. At this stage, the fiber is becoming clean and strong. Now, let's understand the process from the beginning. This is a large forest of banana trees. From insects to dangerous animals, many creatures live here. The stems are cut like this. Then they are loaded onto trucks and sent to the factory. As soon as they arrive at the factory, they are unloaded like this. All the waste material is removed. The muddy stems covered with soil and dirt are washed using high-pressure water. The cleaning process is repeated 1 to 4 times. After cleaning, the cutting process starts again. Then the fiber is extracted and workers carefully inspect it.
Third batch, full yield, no breakage.
Next, the fiber is dipped using machines. Then it is rolled to make it smoother. After that, it is dried under heavy fans. The fiber is then tied like this and rolled again. Machines check the quality. Then it is packaged. After packaging, it is dispatched. Finally, it is loaded into tankers and shipped across the world, reaching countries everywhere.